Hello and welcome to the Tek-CARE500 installation and programming presentation. Tectone Sound and Signal is based in Franklin, North Carolina, and has been manufacturing emergency call, intercom, and nurse call systems since 1973. Tectone has been offering wireless emergency call systems since 2005, has hundreds of installations nationally, and continues to be a leader in the industry. Tectone currently has 2 wireless platforms, which allows us to accommodate all different types of facilities with products that are best suited for their needs. The Tek-CARE500 is an Innovonics-based platform that uses the Echo Stream protocol that's built to handle large applications such as large, high-rise buildings and CCRCs. This can include campus-type environments with multiple buildings. Tek-CARE570, on the other hand, is designed to be more competitive for the smaller to medium-sized facilities such as single buildings, assisted living, independent living, and life plan communities. Both systems operate on the same Tek-CARE platform and utilize the NC475 Tek-CARE appliance server as the head-end equipment. All system activity is displayed on the attached monitor, while day-to-day programming changes are accomplished via a utility which can run on any Windows PC or laptop on the facility's network. Initial setup and programming is done with the LS450 config tool on the installing technician's laptop. When alarms are placed on the system, the events are displayed on the NC475's monitor, indicating the type of call, the associated resident, and the location of the device. The basic operating concept of both systems is the same, where each system has one receiver directly connected to the NC475 and a network of wireless repeaters to relay the information from individual transmitters back to the receiver. In this video, we will cover the Tek-CARE500 system components, the setup of the Tek-CARE500 wireless network, as well as basic system configuration and programming. The intention of this presentation is to provide the integrator with the basic steps for installing the Tek-CARE500 wireless nurse call system. More detailed instructions can be found in the Tek-CARE500 Installation and Operation Manual, the LS450 Installation and Operation Manual, and the LS454 User Guide. Sometimes there are alternate ways to set up system components and features. It is the intention of this presentation to demonstrate what is considered the most straightforward approach to basic installation and configuration. Tectone also provides various support options including manuals, a YouTube video channel, and live technical support. Please visit us at tectone.com for access to these resources. As stated, the Tek-CARE500 system's wireless network is comprised of one NC510UL receiver and some number of NC511UL repeaters. The receiver is locally powered and will be directly connected to the NC475 appliance server via COM port 1. The number and placement of repeaters will be determined by a site survey conducted with the NC500 Site Survey Kit. Instructions for conducting the site survey will be covered in another section of this program. When online, the repeaters will collect signals from local transmitters and pass them back along the network to the receiver. Transmitters for the Tek-CARE500 system are the devices which are used to place calls or send information to the server and include the following: the SF503UL and SF504UL pendants. These pendants require a 1-second button press to send an alarm and have a vibration feature to ensure a call was placed. The pendants will also display a flashing red light to indicate the call was placed correctly. Pendants are waterproof and are reset with a magnet or a series of button presses. When the pendant is being reset, it will flash blue to indicate a reset was completed. It's important to understand that the pendant operates on an internal battery which is sealed and cannot be replaced. The CR2032 battery, which can be replaced, is used to keep the internal battery charged. When a low battery alarm is present, it is imperative to change the CR2032 because ignoring this instruction will result in the internal battery fully draining and the pendant needing to be replaced. The SF521UL is a single bed station with a 1/4-inch socket to accommodate a call cord. These devices are usually placed beside a resident bed or sitting area so they have a convenient way to signal the staff if help is required. Calls from the SF521 must be reset at the point of origin. The SF521UL supports resident check-in using the reset button on the station if check-in schedules have been properly programmed. The SF523UL is a 2-button station which can be used for a variety of purposes. By default, it places an emergency call from a specific location. It is water resistant for use in areas of high humidity and has an optional pull string for an additional method of call placement. If using the pull string with the SF523UL, be sure to follow the proper installation and service steps found in the installation manual for the Tek-CARE500. The SF523 is often used in bathrooms to provide emergency call placement, but can be customized in programming to display any call type that is required. The SF525UL is a universal transmitter, which monitors one normally open or normally closed contact, while the SF525/2 can monitor 2 contacts. The SF520UL employs a magnetic reed switch to monitor doors and windows. All 3 of these devices can be set up to place a latching or non-latching security call or to satisfy checking or rounding requirements. The SF515UL wireless passive infrared sensor is sensitive to moving heat sources. On the Tek-CARE500, it is used to satisfy a check-in requirement from the resident's room. The SF506ES wireless smoke detector features an onboard sounder, a smoke sensor, an LED indicator, and a local test capability to allow the user total visibility of its functionality. It is self-monitoring, alerting the user when sensor maintenance is needed or batteries are low, and automatically supervises the radio link.